Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a clean F-350 Super Duty? This might be it for you. This is the 2019 Ford F-350 Super Duty, of course. Stock number is 7489. Just over 11,000 miles on this Super Duty. We're going to show you this in a video form as opposed to looking at static photos. Boy, and you're going to save thousands off a brand new one by buying new used like this one. Oil changes for life come at absolutely no extra cost to you on this truck. It says have the Power Stroke 6.7 liter V8 motor. Ample legroom for friends and family on that leather interior that might be traveling with you. Let's take you and show you the interior. I like that leather. Good looking truck on the interior. Ease of access to all the controls, fully loaded, 11,000 miles, not going to last long. For more info, call us, email us, text us, better yet, hurry on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business on this Super Duty. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.